So this is what it looks like when your jump rope gets a little old and frayed. So here's the deal. This is what a new, fresh cord for jumping rope looks like. Here is what an old, worn out one looks like. Literally looks like barbed wire. So they look like side by side, nice and clean, fresh, smooth, and ragged as hell. So a couple of things to remember in jump rope care and to prolong, get the most life out of your jump ropes and your wires and cords and the different things that we use for jumping rope. Again, mine's just a bare, I like the bare wire. A lot of them have the coated wires and whatnot. So to get the most life out of it, 3 things that I think are kind of priority to think about when doing that. And one being, make sure that it's cut to the right length. A good rule of thumb is step in the middle of it, take the handles, bring it up to about mid-chest or so, and then that's your length, and then cut it. Make sure to try it out a couple times before you actually cut it, because if you cut it too short and you don't like it, well, you can't really go back from that. So leave it a little bit long, leave yourself some wiggle room, and then cut it to the right length. Second is watch out for the surface that you're actually doing your jump roping on. If it's something that's really pretty aggressive and there's a lot of friction and stuff, like dirt or some tiles are kind of, they have a little bit of, it's almost like sandpaper, so over time it'll wear out your jump ropes a lot quicker. So something rubber or some sort of foam mat, like a yoga mat or something like that, would be perfect, where it's not going to beat the crap out of your wire and really kind of wear it out too much. So just be aware of what you're doing your jump rope on. And the third is storage, I think. Don't store it by the loop, store it by the handle. So have maybe a hook or something, store it by the handles, because when you store it by the loop, when you hang it here, all that pressure is on the wire itself, and it's going to slowly kind of bend it and put some frays and stuff in it, and when kind of weaken that end of the rope where it always is going to be obviously hitting the ground. So store it by the handles. Those are the 3 tips that I think are probably the most important as far as care and getting the most longevity out of your jump ropes.